All storms are now well out of the area and have moving east of the Buckeye State into Pennsylvania down toward West Virginia as a cold front pushes that activity now off to the east. And it did bring us some really torrential rain and some gusty winds. We'll have a chance to dry out tomorrow, and if we're eyeing that bus stop forecast right around the lower 50s. The breeze is still going to be just slightly elevated tomorrow with highs into the afternoon going through the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. Most spots fairly comfortable, upper 50s to near 60 degrees is where we currently are, but the winds are still a touch gusty. They're out of the west-northwest, right around 15 to 20 to 25 miles per hour. Now, we did get some wind gusts today that were reported to about 40 to 50 miles per hour. This in and around the Toledo metro, but I do suspect we had some higher winds in Williams County, where we had widespread reports of some wind damage that did come in, including a semi-trailer that was flipped over and damage that was reported down east of Upper Sandusky, right in and around Bucyrus. And what I've done, I've taken our radar data back to about 4:10 when a really powerful storm came through Crawford County in and around Bucyrus. And if we look a little bit closer into the data, we suspect we may have very well had a tornado. The velocity signature would indicate that this could very well have been a tornado that crossed through Bucyrus earlier today. In fact, we've got video of the damage that was reported. This was inside one of those Family Dollar, I believe. Noticed the roof, or at least portion of it, was peeled off as those strong winds came through, and we had reports across the city of Bucyrus of widespread damage, including trees toppled, power poles knocked down, and damage to many structures. So that will be potentially confirmed tomorrow by the National Weather Service if indeed it was a tornado. Rest of the night tonight, we slump back into the lower 50s and highs into the afternoon expected to be right around 70 degrees. We will be dry tomorrow afternoon, but the next chance of rain, it is going to quickly be approaching just about 24 hours from now. The rest of tonight, mainly dry weather. There's that pocket of sunshine that makes its way back into the area through mid-morning and into the early afternoon. We're going to be dry all day Thursday, but the next chance of rain comes in Thursday night into Friday morning. Quick moving system comes in near or just after midnight Friday, and it does bring rain back into the area. Outside of an isolated shower, going to be mainly dry tonight. 51 the overnight low. Highs, they're going to be right around the upper 60s to near 70 on Thursday. And our 10-day forecast puts us close to 70 Thursday, back around 60 Friday. That rain chance is really early Friday morning. It dries out by daybreak, and highs into the afternoon, upper 50s to near 60. We continue to turn cooler into the weekend. Mid-50s Saturday, a frosty start to the morning Sunday. 56 the high Sunday afternoon, and highs into the 60s early next week, Monday and Tuesday, with another front on Tuesday that will keep us a touch on the cool side into the middle of next week.